Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. I'm here to introduce this fan to you guys. This is a really nice option when it comes to portable fans because it's battery powered. It also has a charge port that you can use on this if you need to charge up your phone or something really fast, which is super convenient. This guy, it swivels, pivots like this, swivels side to side. It does have this nice metal hanger here, so you could hang it if you wanted to. It's got this big clip right here, so you could clip this onto the side of most anything, which makes it really nice and convenient. I got a battery here, nice big huge battery, so this fan will last forever on this battery. And we got 2 speeds. Speed 1 feels really well, and then let's go speed 2. Oh, is it gonna blow that off? That's a lot of weight. But speed 2 works really well, provides a lot of cooling. I'm really excited to use this guy. It does have a USB-C as well. So it has a USB and a USB-C, 5-volt USB-C, so nice and powerful, really good battery converter inside of here so you can charge your accessories. I think you're going to want to grab one of these. As far as portability, you can't beat it. I love the fact that I can put my nice big battery on the bottom of this guy, which is going to make this fan run for a very long time. I'm not going to have to worry about it running out of batteries. Very useful with this top hanging hanger that it has here. The fact that it pivots in every direction is extremely nice. Grab one of these. It's going to be very useful in either the shop setting, at home, camping. You can use this guy anywhere. Very versatile, very useful. So I recommend grabbing one of these. Click on that link below, pick one of these up. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.